Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Brex for spend management with accounting tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Brex account. Navigate to the settings section located on the left sidebar. Select integrations from the menu. Locate the accounting tool you wish to connect with Brex. Click on the connect button next to your chosen accounting tool. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your accounting tool account. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Brex access to your accounting data. Once permissions are granted, return to the Brex platform. Ensure that the accounting tool is now listed as connected. Check for any additional setup requirements from the integration page. Review the integration settings to customize preferences as needed. Confirm the sync frequency to manage how often data updates occur. Take a moment to ensure all information is accurate and correctly mapped. Once satisfied, click the Save button to finalize the setup. Monitor the transactions to ensure they are syncing correctly with your accounting tool. Consider setting up automated reports for enhanced spend management insights. Regularly revisit the integration settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.